It's a beautiful day today. Meditation day today. Sorry, I've just had some juice and I don't know what's going on. Welcome everybody. It's a meditation day today. So, what day are we on? Day 10. Wow, how quick is that in December? 10 days already of Mark Bajerski special offer from my heart to yours. I hope you appreciate it. So today is, it's Wednesday, right? So here's the meditation kit. This is what I'm going to do as a special offer. Always beautiful to cleanse and clear. Always. This is Agua de Florida. It's one of my favorites. I've been using it for years. So that's the first thing that comes. A little bit on the hands. Breathe in 3 times, blow out through your mouth. That will clear that. Really, really prepare you for meditation. Great. Then just a little bit of cleansing around your body. Sage stick. Set just a little bit around your body. 3 minutes, something like that. Beautiful. Cleanses you. Wonderful. Then the awakening sticks. Again, 1 stick, light it around your body, 3 minutes. That will then start to awaken your energy and you'll start to feel really good. And then mystical oil, which is a blend of every oil I have. Rub it on third eye, temples, back of the neck there, a little bit on top of the crown. About 10 to 20 deep breaths. Blow out through your mouth and then you're all set. Lastly, you're going to, well, not lastly, but you're going to put some mala beads on because they're fantastic for up here and cleanse and awaken. And you will receive this beautiful, beautiful piece, sphere, there you go, of labradorite. So you begin your meditation. Isn't that lovely? 1 link below. I hope you enjoy this lovely kit at a very special price for you. Have a great day, guys. Take care.